Jacobsen has been working with Bay Hill since 1992. First contract was signed then, and I've been at Bay Hill since 1992, and I've had a great working relationship with Jacobsen. Adjustability of the reels, you can adjust it 1/1000th of an inch per click. It's a very easy system to adjust. Height of adjustment's very easy. Our members expect a lot out of Bay Hill, and we want to give them everything that we can, and the Jacobsen quality cut is where we get that from. The adjustability in the Jacobsen is done by the computer. So the controller, you're going to set it whatever frequency clip you want, versus other people that basically you just have one speed for transport. So there's a lot of adjustability in their machines. Tropicars has been great for us. Their parts availability and their shipping has been very fast. We don't have to wait very long. We usually have parts within a couple of days, and their service has been excellent. We've had great luck with them on any kind of repairs we've needed. Been a very good partner to have.